Let's get it. Another crazy story time, y'all. Let's get right into it. You already know.
So this is a story on how I got drugged by a coworker, and I'm really telling this story because it's a cautionary tale in that you really can't trust people just randomly. Even if you have interactions with them, you really don't know, like really what them depend. You really don't know people depend until like it's time. Like you can't leave your safety in the hands of someone that you do not trust.
Ain't that the truth?
So you have to just be careful, right? So I used to work as a freelance makeup artist for a production company, and how the shoots were set up, I also interact with a lot of freelance workers as well. So we had at least one shoot a week, sometimes more, but the standard was for the season one shoot a week, and we all interacted on a weekly basis, right? So after, well, before the shoot wrapped, we were having conversations about wanting to do something after work. And I never really had any, not even really, I literally never had any interaction with anyone that I worked with on the production. So it was like, all right, then, well, I mean, I don't really know them like that, but I'm not opposed to going somewhere with you guys. It's not that serious. Like, sure, so they're talking about what them can do. It's a Monday, so literally the only two options at that time is Mojito Mondays and Uptown Mondays. So we said, all right, we could do Uptown, maybe do Mojito Mondays. But people know themselves, myself included. If me reaching my yard and me and head out same time after work, I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah,
So
I'm kind of right there with her. So, yo, at this age that I'm at now, a lot of times I need to go either straight out after I come, like as soon as I come in, take a shower, get my clothes on, leave out. But if I sit down or anything like that, yo, I ain't trying to go nowhere. I'm not trying to go a damn place. That's for damn sure. I'm telling you that.
the plan then morphed into I could go TGI first and then we'll go Mojito Mondays after. Which again, no problem. Me that eat a little food, drink a little juice and head out to Mojito after. No worries. In that same group of people that are having the conversation too, one of the guys that's instigating the conversation turns to me and two other people for say, yo, me scoop if we need a ride, so me know. So me tell him say yeah, but I give him like an idea of where I live, right? And he says to me, all right, then cool. Well, based on knowing where the other two people them there, him can scoop them and then scoop me after. I will be the last pickup, and this is the time that they're aiming for. So I'm gonna say, all right, then cool. I never give him the address based on the fact say I know that I'm a flake and me got my yard and decided to not bother going away. So I never wanted someone to turn up at my gate thinking, oh no man, you should come same way. People funny like that. Like you should just come same way. No man, just come. No. So I'm not say nothing till I actually reach home and I'm sure someone left back my yard. Anyway, we decide say TJ, Mojito Mondays. He comes and gets me. The two other people are there. No problem, just as planned. Where I drive and I go, oh, we go up Chilitos first. So me not ask a question because really and truly, one is not like you're just driving randomly. I'm gonna know where I go. You tell me say like almost instantaneously. Say where I go Chilitos instead. I don't have a problem with Chilitos. It's not a problem at all. A matter of fact, me that eat a taco and drink a juice right now, no problem. But I also thought to myself, like, all right, well, I'm not really friends with these people, so maybe they are having side conversations on why they're changing the plans, and I am just not a part of that conversation because I don't talk with these people or talk to these people outside of work. Cool, it's fine. Go to Chilitos, get there, order the food, get the drinks, everything is cool. Then now they must say to me, say, yo, where I go TGI and then we go Mojito. So meeting Chilitos was the substitute for the TGI. It was just
it's an add-on.
Wasn't clear, still not a problem.
They done added on Chilitos to the other two restaurants or whatever places they supposed to be going to. So them might have one bigger one night.
I don't care. So some people met us at Chilitos and then some people still went on to TGI. So we're meeting up now with the rest of the group at TGI, and then we're going to Mojito Mondays. Anyway, reach at TGI, order next juice. Everything is alright. No worries, no problems. Also, for context, I'm not new to the road. I used to keep party. I used to be a promo girl for years. I used to be on the road when I shouldn't have been on the road. I used to list people for top floor. And of course, like, yeah, you go to and you have a good time and whatever. But when building Buck, I was in there. Before that, I was in Asylum. Before that, I was in Pure Plush. Before that, like, I was just always on the road.
Okay.
Like, and
a
I
road
drink
runner.
alcohol.
road
So
runner.
a money mix don't scare me. A Magnum does not scare me. Mixed alcohol on one night, so like moving from one alcohol to the next is not uncommon for me. Right? Cool. So second drink at TGI, I did not finish the drink because by the time we linked up, got together, and we're moving from TGI now to finally Mojito. By the time I reached the gate, I'm Mojito, them tell me, so me can't walk in there with my to-go cup. So I leave that cup at the gate. No worries. Cool. I reached to Mojito now. And because it's a large group of us, we have like the little bistro table them, but them join together so that everybody can stand up in one general area, right? But how it stay is not like a square. It's kind of like almost like a U shape. So when I'm talking to people, I'm talking this way and then I'm looking that way. So my juice that is in front of me, I can't say that I'm watching the juice because me I look this or me I look this or
Why
me I
it's not
look
in
on
your
the
hand?
stage.
Why it's not in your hand, woman?
What? This hour?
Why it's not in your hand? Why is it not in your hand? Your drink should have stayed in your hand, woman. No, there's no way you should have put your drink in front of you when you're there on people you don't know. You made yourself a target by doing that. I hope she noticed that. I hope she noticed that she made herself a target. She'll never do that shit again. I mean, she's telling the story, so hopefully she learned
I
that
look on the
lesson.
DJ, me I look behind the bar, like I'm looking here, there, everywhere.
For what? And you say you're there road for a long time. You say you do road for oh, what you
Right?
talk, woman?
Cool.
You not do road then. You're just outside.
I ordered a Magnum. I crack the Magnum. I don't drink Magnum hot. I need a cup of ice. So I have the Magnum one side and a cup of ice beside it. Pour off the Magnum and cool. And drinking the Magnum. Everything is cool.
Yo, when you drink it sometimes, you gotta have the cup like this, like the Magnum like this, and then the cup with the ice in it like this. You know what I mean? I can't even hold it like something like this. Like if this was the Magnum buckle, you know what I mean? Like you can't be doing that shit. What's wrong with you, woman?
I'm sipping the Magnum. And this is still early juggling. So it's not like the party even really started like that. And I just feel weird. Right? Bear in mind, I was fine at Chilitos. I was fine at TGI. I was fine. Like we even stood up for a little while, debating whether or not we were going to get a white rum buckle or something like that. Before I even said I'm not drinking that, we don't know because me have things to do on morning. It's a Monday night. A Magnum is fine. So it was still like a lull period in between each drink as well. So me just start feel weird all of a sudden. I never feel like this before in my life. Like it felt like my thoughts were separating from my vision. Like it felt like I was in two different minds, right? Like one part of me is trying to focus to say, "Oh, Kim, what like is everything like you're good?" And the other part of me was just like
Like
no,
an out of
like
body
I could have laid
experience.
down still, like I could have just closed my eyes and let's just rest here. You're in Mojito Mondays, girl. Like open your eyes, like be present. So me start to walk off now. Somebody I don't remember who turned to me and say, "Oh, where you going?" I say, "I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back." When I reach the bathroom, people are yelling me. I don't know who these people are. Not that I don't know them, but I can't see. So I am literally like pushing past to look at myself in the mirror. And when I look at myself in the mirror, I say to myself, yo, I can't see, and I don't know what is going on. And I feel weird. Like I feel frig up. I need to leave here. So I call my mother. And I said to my mother, yo, as soon come home, just look out for me. Right? And me away my mind, I say, oh, my mother could have picked me up still, because all me managed to leave myself careless in this situation. But I call a friend. I call my friend to see if she's nearby. If she's not nearby, then I'm gonna call back my mother and tell my mother, yo, come for me now. My friend end up say, oh yeah, I'm actually on Kansas Spring Road, you know. I say, yo, swing for me around my mojito by the front gate. I am coming out right now. I'm actually going to stay on the phone, and when you reach out to the gate, stop right by the gate right there, so, and don't move. I'm coming out right there. And I stood up in that bathroom looking in that mirror and say, yo, I don't have much longer because I'm actually like fading away. Like, I don't recognize myself. I can barely get it together. And I literally, when my friend said to me, say, yo, I'm by the gate, you know, bear in mind, she don't understand what's going on. She just feels like I need to leave for whatever reason. I too have no context with what's going on. I just know I feel weird, and she's here to get me. So when she said I out by the gate, you know, I literally speed walk back through that gate. I don't say nothing to these people that I came with. I speed walk straight to that car. And it looked like I got to break this up into 2 parts. So I'll come back with part 2.
But wait, woman. How you just leave us with a cliffhanger like that? Oh, no. She tripping.
You tripping, woman.
All right, if y'all want to go see the other part of this, man, y'all go over to kymmakeup. This is her TikTok page right here, y'all. Y'all go over there and if y'all want to see part 2. All I'm gonna say is this, y'all. If you're going out, right, and you know for a fact you're going out with people that you don't know, you have to be very vigilant. You shouldn't even. You probably shouldn't have even taken that ride with those coworkers. And a lot of people use their coworkers as their day ones, or these people that they should share everything with. Because I've been there. I've done the same thing, and it's came back to backfire on my ass. You know, where they either go snitch and to say something, or they, you know, too involved in my life where they feel like they're, I don't know. Because it's weird, because even, you know, your coworkers can become friends at some point. A coworker or some coworkers, or whatever the case may be, or it never happened. May never happen to anybody. You know, some people that never had their coworkers turn into friends, but I'm sure there's everybody. I've seen it everywhere. Somewhere, everywhere, there's somebody that they have a work friend, or whatever the case may be. Even if they're not hanging out outside of work, there's something. But you have to be very vigilant to say, yo, I am not going to be putting my drink down in front of nobody. All of that stuff. When me and my brothers used to go out, it was a thing. Like, you know, this person got to go to the bathroom with this person, or whatever the case may be, because it was like, yo, you don't know what can happen in the bathroom. We done see many of people get robbed in the bathroom, get beat up in the bathroom, and then all of a sudden they people's out there and they don't know what's going on, and they already in a stall, facing the stall somewhere, whatever the case may be. Like, it go down, like where I'm from, you know? So, I mean, it go down anywhere, not anywhere I'm from. I ain't gonna even put it the stigma like it's just only there, because it's not. It's everywhere. So, ladies, gentlemen, be careful, y'all. That was kymmakeup. Yeah, man. I am not putting my stuff down in front of nobody. I'm not putting. I don't even really eat from nobody. I'm as big as I am. Y'all look. I'm vegetarian, and I don't even eat at people's houses. I don't eat from people. I don't even really eat out like that. I'd rather cook my own meal. I just rather those things. I know what I'm getting. I'd rather my fish have a head on it. I'd rather my shrimp have head on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I was to eat fish or whatever case may be, shit. If I was eating beef, I probably want the whole cow. Like, give me the whole cow. I probably slaughter it my damn self at this point in my life. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That's the point in my life where I'm at right now. So be careful, y'all. Y'all already know, like, comment, subscribe. The ticker, I keep doing that. I gotta remember it's right hand, not left hand, because it's the opposite side where y'all see this thing. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because if you don't, you gon'